We've worked with some strings printing, and now let's talk a little bit more what a string is. So a string is just a sequence of characters, and so that just means one or more characters. And the characters are just the keyboard characters for the most part. So lowercase a through z, lowercase a through z, as well as the digits 0 through 9, and a variety of punctuation and characters, and just any of the symbols that we see. We can add some more in there. But basically, all of these pieces that we see in our keyboard, those are all valid characters, and we can also have characters that we'll see later how to do that are not printable, such as a new line character as well. And so we can echo that to the screen by running, because this is, the characters are in our quotes, just like we did with the print statement earlier. We could show our string. So again, the rules are single quotes, matching, so this starts and ends with single quotes, and or double quotes, matching, start or end with a double quote. Just run that, and so that runs nicely. If we don't match our quotes, we can see how that looks. So it tells us we have a syntax error, and that's just telling us that we have not used proper Python formatting on the way that we use a string. And so because it starts with a double quote and ends with a single quote, we have to match those. So I could either make them both single or both double, and then I will make them both double, maybe not with so many returns. And then that will work right there. So we see in working with strings that they are a sequence of characters, so one or more character, and that the characters have to be in matching quotes, double quotes, or single quotes.